Welcome back to Hydro Haven. Whether you're new to gardening or just love the low-maintenance charm of succulents, today's video is for you. We're talking about the top 6 easy-to-grow succulents that are perfect for small spaces, patios, or cozy backyards. These resilient plants not only look amazing, but also thrive with minimal effort. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening inspiration and tips. The jade plant, also known as the money plant, is a timeless classic. Its glossy, oval-shaped leaves and tree-like structure make it a favorite among gardeners. Jade plants grow slowly and can be pruned to maintain a compact size. They thrive in pots, making them perfect for patios or balconies. Place your jade plant in bright, indirect sunlight and water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Echeverias are rosette-shaped succulents that come in a variety of colors from soft greens to vibrant pinks and purples. Their symmetrical beauty makes them a stunning addition to any space. These compact succulents stay small and are perfect for container gardens or as part of a succulent arrangement. Provide plenty of sunlight and well-draining soil. Water only when the soil is completely dry to prevent root rot. Aloe vera is not only a striking succulent but also a useful one. Known for its soothing gel, this plant is a must-have for any gardener. Aloe vera's upright growth habit makes it ideal for narrow spaces or small pots. Place in bright, indirect sunlight and water every 2 to 3 weeks depending on the humidity in your area. Overwatering can cause the roots to rot. This trailing succulent adds a touch of whimsy to any space. Its bead-like leaves cascade down, making it perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. Why it's great for small spaces. Its vertical growth habit allows it to fit into tight spaces while adding visual interest. Care tips: keep in bright, indirect light and water sparingly. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. The zebra plant is a small, striking succulent with white stripes on its fleshy green leaves, resembling the pattern of a zebra. Why it's great for small spaces: its compact size and slow growth make it ideal for desks, shelves, or small containers. Care tips: provide bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Sedums, also known as stone crops, are incredibly hardy and come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They're perfect for adding texture to your garden. Many sedum varieties stay low-growing and spread horizontally, making them ideal for ground cover or container arrangements. Sedums love sunlight and require little water. They thrive in sandy, well-draining soil. To ensure your succulents thrive, consider the following. Choose pots with drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the bottom. Terracotta pots are a great option because they're breathable and help wick away excess moisture. Use a cactus or succulent potting mix, or make your own by mixing regular potting soil with sand or perlite for improved drainage. Most succulents need bright, indirect sunlight to thrive. A south-facing window or a sunny spot in your backyard is ideal. Rotate your pots occasionally to ensure even growth. The golden rule for succulents is less is more. Overwatering is the most common mistake. Water thoroughly, but only when the soil is completely dry. Succulents are as versatile as they are beautiful. Here are a few ideas to showcase them. Create a small succulent garden in a shallow dish or tray. Mix different shapes, sizes, and colors for a stunning display. Use a wall-mounted planter or repurpose an old frame to create a vertical succulent arrangement. Arrange succulents in a glass container with layers of sand and rocks for a modern look. Place a single succulent in a decorative pot to add a touch of green to your desk or coffee table. Succulents are perfect for small spaces, bringing beauty and greenery with minimal effort. From the timeless jade plant to the whimsical string of pearls, these easy-to-grow options are sure to brighten your space and your day. Thanks for watching Hydro Haven. Let us know in the comments which succulent you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow plant lovers. Happy gardening!